In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube automation video from MrBeast channel. You can choose any big creator video and then you can generate for this automation, we are going to choose MrBeast videos, and the tool which I'm going to use is NotebookLM. Type NotebookLM in Google and click on the first link, then click on try NotebookLM. If you're signing up first time, just accept this and click OK. Here, click on create a new notebook. It will give you a interface like this. Here you have options: upload files, websites, drive, copy text. We will choose websites, but before that, so we will choose the video of any creator. So just copy the video URL, go back to again notebook.lm, click on website, paste the link, insert. So on the right hand side under the studio, you have plenty of options: audio overview, video overview, mind map. So as I showed you this video's example of MrBeast, the language of this video is English. But before extracting the video, what you can do, if you click on audio overview, you can choose the language. After language change, we will click on video overview. Here it will take a time, and then once I got the video, then I will explain to you the next step, how to edit the video. Now here is the video which NotebookLM created from MrBeast videos. Now let's play it and see how it looks like. Now let's play this.
When you picture the future, what comes to mind? Flying cars, crazy robots? Well, what if I told you that future, from inside our own heads all the way to the surface of Mars, is actually a lot closer than you might think?
And so this will create the video for you from the other created video. What you can do now, if you don't like the graphics, you can just simply download the video and you can edit as per your needs. So that's it for today. See you in the next one.